In this video I am going picked high-ranked best free and paid online bug bounty courses for you. Before start, please do a subscribe. A click is really helpful us to bring great content for you. Thanks a lot, I really appreciate it. Bug bounty programs reward anyone who reports an exploit or security vulnerability with cash, sometimes even paying up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Bug hunters help companies to protect themselves by finding bugs and suggesting fixes before malicious attacker can do. Number 1 is Web Application Ethical Hacking and Penetration Testing Course for Beginners from Free Code Camp. This course is free for all. In this you will begin the course by going through the penetration testing techniques. The methodology for these techniques is the same for all kinds of application testing. Some of the techniques you will pick up are information gathering, scanning and enumeration, the target, exploitation methodology, maintaining access, and cleanup. Not only that, but you'll also discover several popular tools used for testing and bug bounty or web application hacking, like Burp Suite and Nikto or Dirbuster, as well as some bash commands. OWASP Top 10 is a standard awareness document about the most critical security risks to web applications. You will discuss all the top 10 vulnerabilities, like broken access control to injection all the way to server-side request forgery or SRF. Finally, you will be given a handy list of resources for beginners for you to get up to speed with the world of penetration testing and web hacking. Number 2 is Introduction to Bug Bounty Hunting and Web Application Hacking by Udemy. This is a paid course but really helpful. In this course, you will be given an overview of vulnerabilities like Open Redirect, cross-site scripting or XSS, cross-site request forgery or CSRF, SQL injection, and so on. In each chapter, you will focus on understanding what the vulnerabilities are and how to look for them. Then you will be given a live demo of how to exploit and find these vulnerabilities in different applications. Later you will have a hands-on lab where you will be shown how to approach a target and how to do basic and advanced reconnaissance and how to look for each vulnerability and exploitation type in a specific web application. Number 3 is Complete Bug Bounty and Ethical Hacking and Web Application Hacking Course from YouTube. This is completely free by Ryan John from PhD Security. The first part of the course asks the question, what can I do that I am not supposed to do with an application? You will install Kali Linux, a Linux distribution designed for penetration testing, and use it as your bug hunting base. You will then learn a variety of tools and techniques to find security vulnerabilities like SQL and XML injection. A crash course on Python is also included where you will learn how to make and manipulate requests. Moving on to the intermediate topics, you will focus on understanding what is going on behind the scenes when exploiting flaws in an application. Topics covered include command injection and uploading files, as well as a demonstration of attacking WordPress. Number 4 is Ethical Hacking 101 Web App Penetration Testing, a full course for beginners from Free Code Camp. In this you will begin the course by setting up Burp Suite, an integrated platform for performing security testing of web applications. The application allows you to intercept data sent between the client and the server and see how attacks against the client and server can manipulate the data sent between them. You will also be acquainted with other penetration testing tools too, like Zap or Zetattack Proxy and WAF tool in Kali Linux, or you can install it from GitHub on any Linux distribution. From there you will be taught a variety of tools within the Burp Suite, like spidering to crawl and collect pages within a website. Understanding the terminology bounty hunters use is also essential, so by the end of the course you will learn what it means by reverse engineering, SQL injection, cookie stealing, and more. Number 5 is the Bug Hunters Methodology full 2-hour training on YouTube. The course begins by going through some of the steps you should take before looking for bugs in a system. You will learn how to find root domains and subdomains, use S and enumeration and reverse whois lookup to get valuable metadata about a website. Automating recon can be a time saver. A few techniques you will be acquainted with are subdomain enumeration and scrapping port analysis and screenshots. Number 6 is Integrity Hackademy by Integrity. This is a free course for bug bounty and web penetration testing. The course covers 11 vulnerability types like cross-site scripting, server-side request and cross-site request forgery, and external entity injection, insecure direct object reference clickjacking, directory traversal, file upload vulnerabilities, Open Redirect, HTTP parameter pollution, and SQL injection. Each type comes with video examples and challenges for you to complete.
Number 7 is Hacker 101 by HackerOne. This is a free course. In this you will begin the course by taking a look at the basic concepts of the web and how they affect security, HTTP requests, HTML parsing, how cookies work and more. You will learn how they work and how they can be exploited to reveal secret information or hijack an account. Then you will learn about a few common security vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting and SQL injection, clickjacking and file upload bugs, and so on. Burp Suite is a vulnerability scanning web security platform will be covered to help you get looking for security flaws immediately. Finally, you will be given a crash course on cryptography in the field before acquiring some skills needed to become a professional like threat modeling and report writing. Number 8 is Web Security Academy by Portswigger. Portswiggers is foundation which develop Burp Suite. This course is also free. In this course first you will study server-side vulnerabilities. You will learn a couple of vulnerabilities starting with injections like SQL injection and command injection. You will also learn how common authentication mechanism used by websites can be hijacked by malicious actors, along with other things like access control and server-side request forgery. Next you will move from the server to the client. You will be taught how to identify and exploit potential client-side vectors like cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery and cross-origin resource sharing. Finally, you will end the course with a discussion on advanced topics like web cache poisoning.